Welcome to the Garage USA.
Garage!
Got a couple of different things that I'll be showing you today. I'm going to start off with the Hot Wheels 50th Anniversary Rodger Dodger. I had an original red line of this one when I was a kid. It was purple with flames and had the big motor and very similar to this one. And I've decided to leave this one in the package. As you can see, I don't know if that is black or if it's a deep purple on there, but it's got some nice gold details. You know, they've updated the motor. That is just a really nice casting. Next up is this wonderful garage sale find that I picked up last weekend. This old Craftsman toolbox is filled with die-cast cars. So let's take a look at what's inside. Well, I don't plan to go through all of these, but let's take a look here. Because some of these I don't care for at all. There's some die casts from cars. You know, I don't care. There's a motorcycle. I don't care. But there are some that I do actually like that are in here, and so we'll take a look at some of these. First one I've got here is a Scion XB. You know, it's a newer casting. It's plastic. I knew someone that owned a Scion XB, so yeah, that's kind of cool. I might do something with it, but not on the top 10 list per se. Okay, got a BMW, nice casting. I don't know about the tampos, I might take those off. You know, the wheels look nice. You know, it looks alright. It's a decent car, but still probably not one of my favorites in here. And there's this one. It's alright. You know, I like the motor, how it comes through the hood, and I like the color on the wheels. The car itself is, you know, it's okay. And here's another BMW, kind of basic. Again, the wheels are nice. Not really, you know, it doesn't really grab my attention, I guess. And there's a Pagani. You know, it's the new exotic car that everybody wants to have. It looks alright. You know, the colors are nice, the wheels look nice. It's a, you know, decent little die cast. We have a Nissan 370Z. Yeah, it looks like the Z cars. You know, I might do something with this one. Chevy Camaro. I prefer Firebirds and Trans Ams over the Camaros, but it's a nice casting of a Camaro with some nice big wheels on there. And here's another Nissan 370Z. A Ford F-150. Now this one I really do like. It's a Porsche 934 Turbo. You know, it's got some nice paint on it. The wheels look good on it. It's got some nice details. You know, this is probably something I might keep in my nice car collection. You know, I don't see much of anything that I would change on this particular diecast. And this one's probably my favorite out of the whole bunch. The Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Beautiful casting, great car. You know, when I was a teenager, I had a Oldsmobile Cutlass, which was the same body style, so, you know, I like that car. I also had a Buick Regal, so that body style, to me, is just, you know, General Motors just didn't make anything nicer than that, so. And I like the stripes on it, you know, the paint looks good, the style on it is just awesome. They did a really good job. The interior is highly detailed. The wheels look fantastic. So, yeah, that's just a really, really great car. That's really about everything that's in that box. Well, let's see. Alright, we got a Ferrari in here. So, Ferrari looks nice. You know, it's got the nice wheels on it, decent color. You know, it's a Ferrari. But yeah, that's probably about everything in that toolbox that I like. And I think that's all I'm going to show you out of there. There's more in there, but you know, again, that's really what I like in that collection that I picked up. You know, I'll probably sell the rest of those or do something with them. I don't know. I haven't decided, but those are the cars that I do enjoy out of this particular garage sale find. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with that. I hope you will join me for this series of videos. If you have any questions or if you would like to contact me, send me an email at thegarageusa@gmail.com. And if you enjoyed the video that you just watched, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, if you've ever come across a great find at a garage sale or thrift store, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.
Garage.